Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Hyundai Veloster, stock reference number 5039. This shape runs from the 12th month 2011 through to the 2nd month 2018. It has a G4FD, 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4FD, 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover, a few little scuffs. Right tail light in good condition. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather and cloth interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.